So what is the next step after you get your FAQs together and you're ready and dialed in with your AI employee? It is upload our contacts. Easy way to do this. A lot of you have probably seen how to do this. I just wanted to cover it as a step to show you, hey, when you need to bulk upload your contacts, here's where you come to do it. So you come into your contacts tab and we're going to move over to this icon where it says import contacts. Little box with a down arrow looking thing. And we're going to click on that. From there, you can just go into contacts, or if you want to create opportunities. Now that depends on where you want your contacts to go. You can either put them into the opportunities so it looks like this, where it's a little flow, or you can have them go into contacts. Either way, it's up to you, but make sure you plan your automations based on that. For now, we're going to do upload as contacts. So we import contacts. Right here, we're selected. Go to next. Same thing. You've seen this before, upload a CSV. We'll go grab a CSV document and we're gonna click next. From there, you map out your fields, and when you're done, we'll get email here and we will get phone number here, okay? And when you're done there, you click next, create a smart list. We'll go contacts. Let's say this is a certain specific target market or niche. So I'll say chiropractors. Add import contacts to a workflow. So our workflow is going to be recipe email drip sequence. Now that is going to be our next step that I'll show you. But when we upload these contacts, it will start sending them the marketing emails and reach out with them to a text message to start engaging with them. Again, it's important to be compliant. So these are contacts that have already said, hey, yes, you have permission to contact me, or in your system, and you can reach out to them with text message. Now, how are we going to get those approvals? That's going to come in the next tutorial, but for now, these are really about the AI SMS Contact Reactivation. So current customers, patients, people are like, yeah, man, text me if you have some deals. Let me know. Best fit for it. And then add tags to imported contacts. So since I'm doing chiropractors, I can do I'd have to add that to chiropractors, okay? We'll just add that tag in now. Okay, so we have our contacts tagged, and all you need to do from there is confirm, because the regulations on text messaging are important to follow. Make sure you're paying attention to those and research them before you start sending all these text messages out. But then you just click start bulk import, and you're off to the races. In the next video, we will cover that email drip sequence automation. That is pretty much the foundation of some of the best prospecting I've ever seen. So stick around for that one. It's probably the coolest way I've seen to do cold prospecting. And honestly, I booked more meetings with a box of my old business cards and contacts and landed more clients by using this method, AI SMS Contact Reactivation, than anything else I've ever done. So stick around for the next one. I'm going to show you the sauce. It's pretty simple. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to follow, like, share, tell your friends. And to get started with the AI Empires, go to the AIempires.com and book a virtual introduction coffee with me.